Students of 5th standard, we have seen yesterday the lock is this. In the half turn it locked, and in next half turn it's opened. Okay, so king was confused because it looks same in opened and locked. So the daughter advised to father, do one thing for dad, put here one dot, so in the half turn the yellow on this yellow blade you will get a dot, and another the dot will be here. So Papa is feeling happy. Oh, what a great advice given by my daughter. Now see, the king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on giving them half a turn he can get confused with this too also. Definitely he will be confused. Why? Because see here, the half turn in the first 90 degree, and then next 180 half turn is there, so it looks same. Here also this blade will come here, and this will be here, and this, so looks same. Now see here 90 degree, so this blade will be here, this blade will be here. Now another, this will be here, and this will be here, so look same thing for this. So definitely confusion will be there. So what will you do to solve the problem? Same, put a dot like a daughter. Now sum after half turn. See here, guess which of these shapes below would like the same after half turn. See here, half turn, in the half turn this side will be here, this side will be here, so look same. Now in this rectangle, in the half turn, this side will be here, this side will be there, look same. Circle too, definitely. Now in this first, this side will be here, half turn, so here, and this side will be here, look same. Now see in the triangle, this will be, vertex will be here, so no, it will be different. Now see here, this will be here, this will be here, so definitely the same, and this vertex will be here in the half turn, so no. So this one, square, rectangle, circle, rectangle, these and this. Okay, now see here, do you find it difficult to tell? Yes. If yes, then there is a way to check, you guess. Okay, let's, what is the way? Now here is how you can do it. Take any of the shape, trace its root outline on a sheet of a paper. Okay, the shape and sheet of a paper. Understand, read. Trace it outline on a sheet of a paper. Now keep the shape on its outline and give it a half turn. So here, and see if the shape fits its outline. So do this. Now practice time. See, find out which letters in the English alphabet looks the same after half a turn. Okay, so already I have written here alphabets. I want to show you. Now we will check half turn. See here, so half turn, this will be here. It looks same? No. Here this will be here, and it will take this position. No. Here also no. Here also no. Here no. There also no. Now see here, when you will take this, okay, so it looks same, it looks same after half turn. Same for I, 1/4 turn and then half turn. Okay, J, and half turn, no. K L. Now see M. In the 1/4 turn and in half turn, W. In N, in 1/4 turn and in half turn, look same. You can see O, definitely O. Now P, no. Half turn P will take here, and then Q, no S. In 1/4 turn and again in next turn, look same. T in 1/4 turn and then half turn. You will take this. V. W will look like M. You can write in this way also. X and then same. Y. Now Z in 1/4 turn and then half turn. So what letters? These letters will look like same. I am writing here. First is H, then I, then N, then O, S, X and Z. Okay. Now see here. Next is which of these English words reads the same on half a turn? See here. Zoom. So after half turn, Z look like, but M will be W, so not possible. Now see here in this, it will be M after half turn, W will be M, O as it is, and this will be W, so it will be same. Okay. Now S, half turn W, I, it will be M, S. So when you will read these letters, which of these English words reads the same after on a half a turn? So it, no, yes, yes, definitely, yes, and this also will be yes, except this. Okay. Now give half a turn to the number 0 to 9. Give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. Find which of them still looks the same. Okay. So first we will write the number 0 to 9. Let's start. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now half turn. So first in the 1/4 turn it will be this take this position, and after half turn same 1. In 1/4 it will take this position, and then again similar. 2. No, absolutely not, because in 2 is this, and another 4, 1/4 it will take this position and then this position. Okay, so definitely no, 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 no. 6. 6 will look like 9, so no. 7, no. 8. In another 1/4 it will be take this position and then again. Okay, 9, no. So we got 0, 1 and 8. Okay, now see here, give half a turn to the numbers from 0 to 9. You find which of them still looks the same. So still looks the same. 1, 0, 1 and 8. Think of all 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers which look the same on half turn. So you will form the number only with the help of 0, 1 and 8. Got, children? Why? Because 0 after taking half turn, 0, 1 and 8 look the same. So digit 1, 1, 8, 8, 88, and then next digit. Think. So you will do this. Okay, try to form the number. 4 times 8, 8008. So try. Okay.